What if I told you starting an online business doesn't have to cost a fortune? Right now, Shopify has an insane deal running. It's almost too good. You get 3 days completely free, then 3 full months for just $1 a month. That's 90 days to build a real store for less than your daily coffee. But here's the hard truth most creators won't share. Tons of people sign up for this and quit before the 3 months are even up. Not because Shopify doesn't work, it absolutely does, but because they waste the time. I know, because I did the exact same thing my first time. I got excited, signed up, then spent weeks tweaking fonts, colors, logos nobody would notice, installing every app I saw. I felt super busy. But week 3 hit, nice-looking store, 0 visitors, 0 sales. I wasn't building a business. I was just playing pretend. That's the biggest trap. Getting stuck in perfect mode instead of launching. So why do most people fail during these trials? It's usually one of these. App overload. Installing everything slows your store down, customers bounce. Chasing hot trends. Picking products that are popular today, then quitting when the first ads flop. Avoiding marketing. They'll perfect the design, but spend 0 time learning how to get traffic. End result? A beautiful store that nobody ever sees. Look, people don't fail because Shopify is hard. They fail because they treat it like a hobby. Staying in setup mode feels safe. Actually launching? That's scary. Putting something out there that might flop? Terrifying. So they tweak tiny details until the trial runs out. If you want to actually win with this deal, here's a dead simple 90-day plan. Month 1. Build a store that's good enough, not perfect. Get it live fast, lock in your products and suppliers. Month 2. Focus on traffic. Pick one platform, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and show up daily. Consistency beats fancy ads. Month 3. Analyze the data. Where are visitors dropping off? What's stopping buys? Fix those leaks. This $1 deal isn't just cheap, it's precious time. And time is what most people waste. If you're done overthinking and ready to actually start, the special link is in the description and pinned in comments. Don't be the person who signs up, then ghosts. Start now. Mess it up. Learn fast. Keep going. See you in the next one.